William Brush Public School, and we've got students from Port Macquarie, from St Columbus School, and people from all over the place.
But I'm also on the board of Destination New South Wales, which Steve knows is the events and tourism agency for the government, and it is funding the festival. So I am delighted to be here to see some of that money at work. I took the liberty of taking some photos and filming some of the workshop earlier, and I'm going to send that to the CEO of Destination New South Wales and the other board members so they can see what's happening out here. And I think they'll be highly impressed, and I would like to try and get them back up here, more of them to see. We get very caught up with all the big events in Sydney and the Harbour Bridge and the fireworks and all that sort of stuff, but I think it's so important to remember, the grassroots performances and the wonderful things that people are doing at a local level.